morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So I have this new feature that I got when editing the what is it? The app that I use to edit my videos has this new feature where it makes the frames more smoother. I'm just moving around, so there's gonna be a lot of moving around. I'm kind of testing different settings because with my videos I really like to color correct and mess with the settings and everything. So this is one of the features that is kind of new, came out a month ago or something. So if you are on your phone, you can go ahead and change the settings to a specific settings, and you could change it to 4K. I think it's 180 frames. I'm not sure if it actually just says 4K. If you are on your TV, I'm not sure how you can edit that, but you can go ahead and then go to settings and do all that configuration. But this video is mostly, I'm just gonna be driving around. Nothing really too crazy. I do need some gas, and then I'm gonna go to a couple stores. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna record me going to the stores, but it's just some things that I do, and I'm I might as well just record me driving there. So go ahead and change those settings, that way you can see how how this looks. I don't know if it makes a huge difference. Hopefully it does. So yeah. If you have asked what fingerboard I'm rocking, so I have a Chems Eggy 35mm, and with that I have Broken Uncle trucks with, I'm not actually sure what kind of wheels I have. These are the GH Pros, the Street Pros, and then I also have some board rails.
If you're ready, and if you let me, give me the time of my life.
10 crack commandments, why? Talk that shit to me.
With the leaves falling and fall here, I'm kind of getting depressed, because snow's almost here in Minnesota. I mean, it's been, these past couple years it's been pretty late. I want to say that it's been snowing around January, maybe towards the end of January, or sometimes even after that. With last year, I think it started snowing, I think the day after Christmas. And then the year before that, I think the day before Christmas. It's been kind of weird. And years ago it used to be to the point where it would be before October even. so we would only have like barely a couple months of summer. But with the whole global warming, I don't know, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but that's my thinking. I mean, with the results being kind of hot, I mean, it's October and it's very rare that we have 60-degree weather, and it's this weekend it's supposed to be like in the 80s. Kind of weird, but you know, es lo que es. So I know I haven't really been posting any like Mustang related content in a while. I have posted like 2 videos, just kind of like different stuff that I want to do, like other videos that I've been watching lately, and sort of kind of like videos that I want to kind of do. I know it doesn't really make sense, but I've just been trying different things. Nothing really that I'm like, oh, like I hope these people, like whoever watches them, like I'm glad. But it's just kind of videos that I watch and want to try out, because I like the way either like the edits are made or the topics that are being talked about. Those are the type of videos I watch and also want to make for not only myself, but just to put out there for whoever wants to watch. So you'll be seeing a lot more of those types of videos, especially once winter comes, because I won't be able to either drive this as much or at all, really. So during the winter time, I know last year it really didn't snow as much, so that's why I was able to make a lot more. But just for, you know, to put that out there, that during this winter you might not see a whole lot of videos, or you might see, you know, the same consistent videos that you're seeing. So just so you guys are aware. Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you like these types of videos, if you like Mustang content related, or if you want to, like, you know, just subscribe and find some random videos, go ahead and subscribe. Also like the video and comment below, like, what do you think? Do you want to see more of these, or do you want to see any sort of like 360 video, or do you want to see any topic videos? Comment below. Thank you.